Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to import multiple CSV files into separate worksheets with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, with its powerful tool Combine, you can quickly combine or import multiple CSV files into one single worksheet or multiple separated worksheets as you need. Please click Kutools Plus tab in the Workbooks and Sheets group. Click Combine, click the OK button. In the Combine Worksheets dialog box, please select Combine multiple worksheets from workbooks into one workbook option under the Combine Operations section. Click the Next button. In step 2 of the wizard, click Add and select Files to choose the CSV files that you want to combine. In the popped-up Open dialog, select the CSV from drop-down list and then specify the CSV files that you want to merge. Click the OK button and your selected CSV files have been imported into the dialog box, as you can see here. In step 3 of the wizard, please do the following operations. By checking the first row of each worksheet comments from the Insert Worksheet Information section, all the CSV files information will be inserted into the combined worksheets as comments. You can rename the CSV file as you need, and you can escape the blank CSV files when you encounter a blank CSV file. Click the Finish button, and after finishing the combination, you can specify a file name and location for your new combined workbook. Click the Save button, and then you can save this scenario or not as you like. At last, your selected CSV files have been imported into a new workbook with a separated worksheet. And double click on the first link. Click the Yes button, and as you can see, all your data has been imported into the new workbook. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.